Matsyasana, the fish pose. Usually we do this position after Sarvangasana. Lie supine on your back on the mat and stretch your legs. See that you're placing your palm under your sacrum and with an inhale bringing up the chest, opening it wide and placing the crown of the head to the ground. It gives a good stretch to the neck while opening the chest. For variation, we can raise the arms and the legs towards the ceiling, and you should stretch both of them. Feel the strength in the core muscles. And with an exhalation, slowly release the position and come up. We can do the same asana and advanced variation while the legs are in Padmasana. Bring the legs in lotus position, Padmasana, and from here lie supine on your back. And again, bring the crown of the head to the ground while opening your chest. The hands can remain on the floor or you can place them as in the previous asana.